The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is the King County Office of Emergency Management with a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an actual emergency, this system would bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. For more information, contact this station or your local emergency services organization.
Boy, am I glad to be done with...
You're watching